Sour. Having a sharp, acidic taste. The lemon tastes sour. Salty. Tasting of salt. The soup is too salty. Bitter. Having a sharp, unpleasant taste. Bitter gourd juice is very bitter. Spicy. Hot and strong in flavor. I like spicy food. Sweet. Having a sugary taste. The cake is very sweet. Savory. Salty and tasty, not sweet. The curry has a savory flavor. Creamy. Smooth and rich taste. The ice cream is creamy. Crispy. Hard and crunchy. The chips are crispy. Smoky. Having a smoke-like flavor. The grilled food tastes smoky. Mild. Not strong in taste. This curry is mild. Juicy. Full of juice. The mango is juicy. Fresh. Clean and natural taste. The salad tastes fresh. Bland. No strong taste. The food is bland.